So it depends upon your state, and like I said, some states don't have a state income tax.
So is that what the gray ones are for?
Yes, so the gray ones don't have a state income tax, and you'll see on the next slide though, but they have to get their money from somewhere. So they're gonna get their money from a different source, okay?
So the dark,
The
So-
darker the red, the higher percentage of tax, okay? So the darker the red, the higher percentage, okay? And then some states have what's just called a flat tax. It's just everybody pays the same percent. No matter if you earn $2,000 a year or you earn $200,000 a year, you pay the same percentage in income tax, okay? Some states like New Jersey, California, a couple of others, the more you earn, the higher the percentage, just like the federal government. There's a range, and each state decides on their range. Okay, so the next thing we have is called FICA, Federal Insurance Contributions Act. This is Social Security, okay, and everybody pays into that as well. Okay, you don't have a choice. It's a percentage of your income, and you pay it. All right, when you retire, you collect Social Security, you get a payment. If your grandparents are retired, they're probably getting a Social Security check. They put money in for all those years, and now they're getting money back from Social Security. It also helps to pay for what's called Medicare, which is when you're older, that's your health insurance, it's called Medicare.
So
Okay.
wait, you said Medicaid somewhere before. What's Medicaid?
So Medicaid is for people that can't afford to get health insurance. They may only work part-time, so they don't get health insurance. They don't make enough money to pay for their own health insurance. So Medicaid is subsidized by the federal government. Sometimes it's referred to as Obamacare, and it's providing medical insurance for those that can't afford to get it on their own.